Platinum traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Day video. My name's Aaron Uppel, I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Systems, and I'm going to be taking you through today's trades. Now, we've had an absolutely incredible trade on a dollar Swiss longer term trade. Now, just before I move on to that, I want to talk a little bit about the fundamentals that we've been having the past couple of days, as that's had a very, very important impact on the markets. Now, as you guys were aware, it was FOMC this week. Now, with the FOMC Fed statement, what did Yellen come out and say? Well, they've come out and they've been a bit dovish. What's the reason that they've been dovish? Well, essentially, they're decreasing the number of rate hikes that they said they were going to forecast at the beginning of 2015. So essentially what they've come out and said is that that's only really likely that they're going to have one more rate hike before the end of the year, if that. Now, what was the main reason for this? Why have they decreased their outlook for the dollar? Well, it's quite simple, isn't it? If any of you guys saw the last NFP result, you would have seen it was just catastrophic for the US. And obviously they're using that as an excuse to not raise rates. Now, on the back of that, we saw an immediate reaction there on the FOMC of the dollar losing its strength. Now, obviously, it did recover, of course, but because of those dovish comments, it did lose a little bit of strength on the FOMC there. We've also had a very bearish FTSE. Now, what was the reason for this? The FTSE's lost so much. This is because of Brexit fears. Now, with the Brexit, what's going to happen? It's instability, isn't it? There was polls coming out saying that over 50% wanted to leave. So therefore, there's going to be a lot of Brexit fears about the big investors in the city. What does that mean? That means that the gold now becomes a safe haven. Gold has now reached highs for a long time. Yeah. So gold's becoming a safe haven. Investors are going into gold. And what we've also seen there is that we've seen the Swiss come out yesterday with some dovish comments, and that's why the dollar Swiss trade has done so well. We gave a bullish trade on the dollar Swiss to buy at 95.80. So that's just a little bit of a background on the fundamentals for you and why the trade played out the way it did. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the analysis and show you the way that it played out. So firstly, I'm going to show you the longer term chart, as we always do on here at Platinum. We provide the reasoning behind every single chart that we give. This is a beautiful chart here. We see long dollar Swiss at 95.80 with a 40 pip stop and a target of 9700. We've given the directional arrow to say that this is where the trade is. This is where you should enter. Bang, and the market should go up from there. And if we have a look at that on the chart, we go to the dollar Swiss, and it was obviously yesterday, so we have a look just here when the trade triggered. We can see here 95.80, and it's even matching to a buy zone, even more perfect, the analysis matching perfectly. We can see in there going, the lowest it went to was about 95.70, only 10 pips below, and there we are in a day, 110 pips. Not too bad, is it? Not too bad at all in a day's work, and that's by providing you with the technical reasons on the chart, by providing you with the fundamental reasons in our fundamental view. So everything playing out perfectly, and it doesn't really get much better than that. I know a lot of clients that made plenty of money off that trade yesterday. Now, I know that for you guys watching out there that are not Platinum clients already, the way that you're trading might not be in a structured way like this. So if you're interested in trading in this particular manner, in this particular professional manner, then all you have to do is you go to click on the book your free consultation button on our website, which is in the top right hand corner. It takes you to this page here where you can watch the video if you wish. Just leave your first, last email and phone number with the preferred date and time that you'd like to be called. One of our account managers will be in touch, and we can book a consultation for you, which basically means you get to see the analysis live, you get to see the system working in action, and you get to see how our mentoring is conducted. Now, I know that you're going to be interested in that after watching this video. I mean, 120 pips on one trade is something to be very impressed with. Now, if you're trading that at £10 a point, 1,200 quid, one trade, all the reasoning was there. All it would have been was placing an order. Doesn't get much easier than that. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I really, really appreciate that. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video to keep up with more content. And obviously follow us on our usual social media links. Thank you very much for watching, and speak to you guys soon. Thank you.